Hey everyone, today is Wednesday and I want to get you started, kind of show you what you need to do for this project. Don't forget, for this project, we're trying to focus on making sure that our hands are drawn accurately. You're going to have four hands, okay? So it's similar to what you see here, but you don't have to use that dividing line. But they're going to come in from the composition, going to be in different positions. You're going to shade them from dark to light. And then you're going to have that ribbon that's going to flow through the composition, and you're going to shade that ribbon from dark to light. So you see this one person added different patterns to it and things like that, but they didn't shade it. So that's not what I want. I want shading on the hands. This is a beautiful interpretation of what we're looking for with the hand. But you're gonna have four, but you're gonna shade it from dark to light. And it looks really cool. These are some other hands that we see here. They kind of go in from the composition. It looks really neat. This is how you would wrap the ribbon around your finger. So this is a very interesting way of, if you wanted to incorporate your ribbon, you want to incorporate it going around your finger. This is how you would do it. So you can just wrap it going around, but you see how I erased so you can't see through it. That's very important when you do that for this particular project. So you see that I drew these ribbons and I did this up here so that you can kind of see how the ribbon's supposed to kind of flow around that composition, go over and under your hands, go in the negative space. Okay. Now, a couple of things that you can do, like we said, you can shade, as you can see here, from dark to light. Sign language is a good tool to help you to understand how to draw from dark to light as well. But this is a perfect way of how they shade this ribbon from dark to light. And I actually drew this ribbon, but to try to help you to see how you can sort of shade it and it can kind of fade out from dark to light. So think about your composition and how it's looking right now. Go ahead and upload your progress today. Let me see that, and then we can kind of brainstorm and talk about some things that we can fix or some things you need to improve on. If you need a one-on-one session, let me know. I do what I can to try to help you. But go ahead and upload that because I'm really looking forward to seeing these pieces. I think it's going to be really interesting to see how they come out. But sign language is a good way to learn how to put your hands in different positions as well. So I mean, you can use, like, you can see this is a beautiful way of how they shaded it. But the ribbons, if you want to shade it from dark to light, maybe your hands are black and white, but your ribbons are in color, or maybe you want to do it like you see here, your hands in black and white shaded, but then your ribbon has all this color here. So it just depends on how you want to do it. But I'm really looking forward to seeing these images, and I think it's going to be really neat the way you can get to interpret this particular project. So today, go ahead and upload your progress. Let me see how it's looking, and we'll go from there. Okay. Thank you.